Indian Hotel Industry Performance Analysis for Q2 FY25. Introduction. The Indian hotel industry is experiencing robust growth in FY25, driven by increased domestic travel, international tourist arrivals, and favorable macroeconomic conditions. Quarter 2 of FY25, July to September, has been pivotal for the industry, showcasing strong financial performance and operational improvements across leading hotel chains. This report analyzes the industry's Q2 FY25 performance, leveraging key metrics such as revenue growth, occupancy rate, operating EBITDA, and other significant indicators from prominent hotel groups. Number 1. Key players and financial metrics. While the July-September quarter is a slow quarter for the industry reported a significant growth year over year. The occupancy of this year was higher for most chains year on year as well as sequential. The average realization and RevPAR was higher for each of the hotel groups and across the segments. While many segments of the consumption were impacted due to elections, excessively strong summer and then unusual high rains, hotel industry was largely unaffected by this and recorded impressive growth in revenue and profitability. Even though some groups recorded small declines in occupancy, the AARs remained strong. This ensured high RevPAR and strong profitability. Here is a summary of the performance of the key players. Indian Hotels Company Limited IHCL. Revenue Rs 1,890 crore, 28% year-over-year growth. Occupancy rate improved to 78%, marking a 1.5 percentage point increase from the previous year. Operating EBITDA Rs 501 crore, showing an impressive 41% year-over-year growth. Insights. IHCL's performance reflects the success of its strategic initiatives, including enhanced focus on premium offerings and operational efficiency. Its robust growth in revenue and EBITDA highlights the rising demand in the upscale hotel segment. EIH, the Oberoi Group. Revenue Rs 622.6 crore, 13% year-over-year growth. Occupancy rate rose to 72%, up by 4% from the previous quarter. Operating EBITDA Rs 208 crore, 26% year-over-year growth. Insights. EIH's consistent performance stems from its strong presence in luxury and business travel segment, as well as an emphasis on guest experiences. Chalet Hotels. Revenue Rs 3.18 billion, driven by both hospitality and mixed use of asset operations. Occupancy rate declined slightly to 68% due to softer demand in select markets. Operating EBITDA Rs 1.31 billion with a margin of 41.2%, although slightly impacted by inflationary pressures. Insights. Chalet Hotels' diversified portfolio in hospitality and real estate provides resilience, though inflationary challenges require attention. Lemon Tree Hotels. Revenue Rs 284.8 crore, 24% year-over-year growth. Occupancy rate 68.4%, a marginal year-over-year decline due to specific market factors. Operating EBITDA Rs 131.2 crore, 25% year-over-year growth. Insights. Lemon Tree Hotels focuses on the mid-market segment, which continues to attract budget-conscious travelers, albeit with slightly lower occupancy rates. Juniper Hotels. Revenue showed a 32% year-over-year growth. Operating EBITDA Rs 73 crore, 21% year-over-year growth. Insights. Juniper Hotels leverages its niche offerings and expansion strategies to maintain high revenue growth rates. Number 2. Market trends and key drivers. Occupancy rates and room revenues. Overall occupancy rates across major hotel chains remained strong, with averages exceeding 70%. The rise in average room rates ARR contributed significantly to revenue growth, reflecting premium pricing strategies amid high demand. Leisure versus business travel. Leisure travel continues to dominate the market, supported by the ongoing popularity of domestic destinations. Business travel also showed recovery, particularly in metropolitan cities, as corporate activities normalized post-pandemic. International tourism. Increased international arrivals, particularly from key markets like Europe and the United States, boosted demand for luxury hotels. India's positioning as a major tourist destination for events such as G20 summit activities further accelerated demand. Macroeconomic conditions. Stable inflation and rising disposable income have bolstered discretionary spendings on travel. The hotel industry benefits from government initiatives to promote tourism, such as infrastructure development and visa relaxations. Number 3, financial and operational insights. Revenue growth. Revenue growth ranged from 13% to 32% year over year across different hotel chains, signaling a thriving industry. Companies like IHCL and Juniper Hotels outperformed in revenue generation due to their strategic positioning in high demand segments. EBITDA performance. Strong EBITDA margins across the board underscores the industry's ability to manage cost effectively while scaling operations. Chalet Hotels, with a margin of 41.2%, showcases operational excellence despite inflationary headwinds. Challenges. Slight dips in occupancy rate for select chains like Lemon Tree Hotels reflect market-specific demand fluctuations. Rising costs related to labor and utilities pose challenges to maintaining profitability. Number 4, regional dynamics. Tier 1 cities. Cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore led the recovery in business travel and corporate events. High room rates and steady occupancy ensured strong financial performance for hotels in these regions. Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. Growth in these markets is driven by increased domestic leisure travel and government initiatives to promote tourism in lesser known destinations. Budget and mid market hotel chains such as Lemon Tree benefited the most from these trends. Number 5, future outlook. Growth opportunities. The upcoming festive season in Q3 FY25 is expected to drive further occupancy and revenue growth. Continued expansion in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities offers untapped potential for mid-market and budget hotel chains. Technology integration. Increasing adoption of AI and data analytics in operations and customer engagement is likely to enhance efficiency and personalization. Sustainability. Focus on eco-friendly practices and sustainable tourism is gaining traction among hotel chains. Expansion plans. Major players like IHCL and EIH are set to expand their networks through new properties and strategic alliances, catering to growing demand across different market segments. Number 6, industry initiatives and strategic developments. Government support. The Indian government's focus on tourism has greatly supported the hotel industry in Q2 FY25. Initiatives such as the development of tourism circuits under the Swadesh Darshan and Dekho Apna Desh programs are driving footfalls in lesser known destinations. Additionally, the rollout of e-visas and streamlined visa policies for international travelers have bolstered inbound tourism. Infrastructure and connectivity. Improved infrastructure and connectivity, such as better roads, expanded air routes, and high speed rail projects, are making travel more accessible. Key hospitality hubs like Goa, Rajasthan, and Kerala have benefited from these advancements, driving demand for both luxury and mid range accommodations. Digital transformation. Technology is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of the hotel industry. Hotel chains are investing in AI driven booking systems, predictive analytics for demand forecasting, and dynamic pricing models. Contactless check ins, smart room technologies, and mobile applications for personalized guest experiences have become essential for attracting tech savvy travelers. Emergence of alternative segments. The rise of hybrid work models has spurred the concept of working vacations, driving demand for properties in scenic, quieter locations. Boutique hotels and homestays are gaining popularity, particularly among millennials and Gen Z travelers seeking unique experiences. Sustainability as a competitive edge. Hotels are increasingly adopting sustainable practices, including energy efficient systems, water recycling, and waste management. Chains like IHCL and EIH are positioning themselves as leaders in eco friendly hospitality, appealing to environmentally conscious travelers. Number 7, risks and challenges. Competition. The rapid growth of alternative accommodation platforms such as Airbnb and OYO presents stiff competition to traditional hotels. These platforms are particularly attractive to younger travelers seeking affordability and flexibility. Economic volatility. Although Q2 FY25 witnessed stable economic condition, global uncertainties such as geopolitical tensions or changes in oil prices could impact travel pattern and costs. Labor shortages. The industry is grappling with workforce shortages, particularly skilled labor in niche areas like F&B services and hospitality management. This has led to increased wages, putting pressure on operational costs. Number 8, comparative insights, Indian versus global hotel industry. While the Indian hotel industry is witnessing a significant post-pandemic recovery, global players are navigating slower growth due to recession fears in key markets such as Europe. India's unique blend of domestic travel, robust wedding season demand, and government-backed tourism initiatives places it at an advantage over its global counterparts. Additionally, the country's youthful demographic and rising middle class income levels offer a sustainable growth path. Conclusion. The Indian hotel industry showcased remarkable resilience and growth in Q2 FY25, supported by a combination of domestic and international factors. Leading players such as IHCL and EIH and Juniper Hotels reported impressive financial results, reflecting their strategic adaptability and operational efficiencies. Despite minor challenges like inflation and fluctuation demand in certain segments, the industry remains a robust growth trajectory. As the sector leverages technology, sustainability, and geographic expansion, it is poised to play a pivotal role in India's economic growth and global tourism footprint. Even with the robust growth, most hotel chains are cautious about capex. Many of the chains have shifted to asset-light models as specialized asset ownership companies like Samhi and Chalet Hotels have gained in size and scale. There could an increased divergence between ownership and operations of hotels.